B-Class is already today a champion among the compacts, so we reinforce their strengths, offering more features in comfort, safety, and offering a sports tourer for the young family and for people who would like to have variability in the car and who enjoy driving long distances.
Well, their new B-Class, even more than the previous model, combines a very dynamic sportive design, a very young appearance with high functionality. Again, in the interior, we have the Mercedes-Benz MBUX system as a new telematic system.